Hello student, today we will do question number 13 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will let 1 plus x equal to t. If we will differentiate both sides, so ex dx equal to dt. Now we will put here value ex dx divided by 1 plus ex 2 plus ex integration equal to ex dx equal to dt. 1 plus ex equal to t and here will be 1 plus t. So we can write this 1 plus t minus t divided by t into 1 plus t dt. This will take in bracket. This is, so now we will divide this, we will separate this, so this will be 1 plus t divided by t into 1 plus t dt minus t by t into 1 plus t dt. So here this will be cut and this will be cut. So here will be 1 by t dt minus 1 by 1 plus t dt equal to, then integration of this will be log t minus log 1 plus t plus c equal to log t by using formula log m minus log n, this will be 1 plus t plus c. If we'll put value, so this will be log t value is 1 plus ex and 1 plus t will be 2 plus EX. This is plus C. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.